Beautiful day today. Getting a bit of a late start though. This is the 2 kayaks worth of stuff. By my reckoning, I have got this and this, too much. So when we actually load them, it'll be interesting to see if it works.
Hello, we're starting on our little kayaking adventure, and we just sat out a thunderstorm because we were late leaving, and yeah, we thought it was best not to start in the middle of crashing thunder and lightning, but it seems to be going away, so we're heading out. Day 1 of 4.
Sorry, a dragonfly was attracting a moth. So we parked the car and we have everything down there ready to go, and we're quite wet, and we're going to set off. It's about a 3-hour, 4-hour kayak. So this is the southern end of the lake. This is the Crown Lands access ramp. You have to have a permit to park overnight, which we have, and we're going to bus through there and head eventually over 2 days about 10 miles over the next 2 days in that direction. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. I can hear Kitty coming. Excited?
Yeah! Let's do this.
Oh, let's do it, alright.
Litres?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Cool. What? Good. Which way are we going?
What?
Which is the right way? Oh dear. So first day on the kayak, we're doing well. We haven't had a big row yet. We did a major thunderstorm, so we had to actually delay leaving. Anyway, hopefully we can find the campsite soon. So how was the first day?
Oh, good.
What are we going to do now?
We're going to eat a wrap and put up Poople's tent.
Woo!
Wow! It's very beautiful here.
Isn't it just? It's a shame about the weather, but we kind of knew this was coming. Massive thunderstorm just before we set out, which delayed us a couple of hours. So we didn't actually get here till about 4:30.
No, it's about 4:20 now.
Oh, well, we got here about 3:30, so that's not bad. Probably what, a 2-hour, 2.5-hour kayak?
It was 2.5 hours.
Meow. So one of the things I'm doing is I'm charging up stuff. On a nicer day, I'll show you because it's just the first day. But I got a new phone after arguing with the service provider for free, and I'll show you it. There it goes. it was at 41% battery capacity. It'll be at 100% battery capacity in an hour and 42 minutes. And I'm charging it via the solar charger, which I charged before I went home. And it is, I believe, made in China. That is everything. 220 ohms. When I'm charging it with the BioLite stove, it takes just under 6 hours, so this is a much faster charge. So I should have telecommunications. So this is campsite 1. Show you around. Kayaks. There's Kitty doing some sort of a yoga pose, I think. Having drank her wine. These rocks go quite a ways around. Just drying out the clothes from the storm. Food over there. Not a bad campsite, it's fairly big. There wasn't that many places to go. There's the fire pit. Some kind soul chopped down half the forest and left it, but we just used the BioLite, so there you go. Nice to have a ledge, makes a big difference. And then we were thinking, where are we going to sleep? So you know what, one of the things I considered was here. Very quiet here. Probably could get my tent in there, it probably wouldn't be too bad. But we didn't. Sorry, that was a deer fly. So there's my tent. Hubba bubba. And Kitty wanted me close. We're not close enough to disturb us with my snoring. So there's Elixir 2 for Kitty. She has a nice view. And she can shout for me for help. Not bad, eh? So my tent is on the way to the toilet. So all of this lake is crown land and conservation area mixed in. There's a couple of cottages just off the lake, which is why there's a fair amount of boat traffic right now, just because it actually is night time and they're all going back to their cottages. But mostly it's pretty much empty. And there is the toilet. Impressive. Not bad views. So that's about it for me. We decided not to have dinner tonight. We finished off the last of Kitty's hummus wraps. They were delicious. Had some chocolate, some nuts, and one glass of red wine.